to hide photos and videos on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can hide photos and videos on your Snapchat. For that, you have to follow this step. So, first of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Snapchat. If not, then you have to go to your Play Store and on the search bar, you have to search for the Snapchat here. So once you have searched for the Snapchat, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your app and go back and open up your Snapchat app here and log in with your credential. So once you have opened up your Snapchat and you want to hide your photos and videos on your Snapchat, go and click the photo by tapping on the circle icon here and go for the save icon here. So after that, again go back and here you have to record our video here. Go for the save option. So once you have recorded the videos and capture the photo, you have to go for the gallery icon which is on the which is here. You have to tap on that. So if you want to hide these photos and videos on Snapchat, you have to long press on that, and on the bottom there you can see the hide icon. You have to go for that. So here you have to enter your passcode to hide your photos here. Go for the move option here. Go here. So here the hide is known as my eyes only. Go for the move option. So again you have to select that video, go for the hide option, go for the move option. So on the top you can see the my eyes option. You have to go there and you have to write your passcode, and there you can see your hide photos and videos. So with the help of this simple step, you can hide your photos and videos on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.